If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the 20 early Amazon Prime Day car gadgets deals that are already creating a buzz among drivers and car enthusiasts. From smart organizers and advanced dash cams to powerful inflators and handy cleaning tools, these gadgets can make every trip safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews on Auto Gear Insider. MagGrip Drive Mount Max. The MagGrip Drive Mount Max is designed for drivers who want a secure and convenient way to keep their smartphones within easy reach. Featuring a powerful magnetic system, this mount holds your device firmly in place, even during sharp turns, sudden stops, or bumpy road conditions. The adjustable design allows you to position your phone at the perfect viewing angle for navigation, hands-free calls, and music control. Installation is simple, requiring only a few moments to attach it to your dashboard or air vent. Its sleek construction blends seamlessly with most vehicle interiors while minimizing clutter. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long road trips, this mount helps keep your focus on the road while providing easy access to essential apps and information whenever you need them. AllGuard CRV Floor Shield. Keeping your vehicle's interior clean can be a challenge, especially during rainy seasons and outdoor adventures. The AllGuard CRV Floor Shield is designed to provide reliable protection against dirt, mud, water, spills, and everyday wear. Constructed from durable materials, these floor liners fit securely and help prevent messes from reaching your vehicle's carpeting. Raised edges help contain liquids, making cleanup easier and faster. The textured surface provides added grip while maintaining a stylish appearance. Whether you're transporting kids, pets, sports equipment, or work gear, these floor shields help preserve your vehicle's interior condition. Installation is quick, and the easy-to-clean design means you can simply remove, rinse, and reinstall them. It's a practical upgrade for anyone who wants long-lasting interior protection with minimal maintenance. ComSoon AirLink AUX Receiver. The ComSoon AirLink AUX receiver transforms older vehicle audio systems into wireless entertainment hubs. This compact gadget connects through your car's aux port and enables wireless streaming from compatible smartphones and tablets. Once paired, you can enjoy music, podcasts, navigation audio, and hands-free calling without dealing with tangled cables. The built-in microphone enhances call clarity while allowing safer communication during drives. Its rechargeable battery provides extended usage, making it suitable for both daily commuting and longer journeys. Setup is straightforward, and the receiver automatically reconnects to previously paired devices for added convenience. For drivers who love modern connectivity but aren't ready to replace their factory stereo system, this affordable gadget offers an easy way to bring wireless functionality and improve convenience to older vehicles. Fantic X8 Apex Inflator. Flat tires and low tire pressure can happen when you least expect it. The Fantic X8 Apex Inflator is a portable solution designed to keep you prepared. This compact air compressor delivers impressive inflation performance while remaining easy to store in your vehicle. Equipped with a digital pressure display, it allows you to monitor tire pressure accurately and stop inflation at the desired level. Multiple nozzle attachments make it suitable for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports equipment, and more. The rechargeable battery adds flexibility, eliminating the need for constant power connections. Built-in lighting can also be helpful during nighttime emergencies. Whether you're maintaining proper tire pressure for fuel efficiency or dealing with an unexpected flat, this inflator offers convenience, reliability, and peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Valley Grip Luxe Steering Cover. The Valley Grip Luxe Steering Cover combines comfort, style, and enhanced driving control. Crafted from high-quality materials, this cover improves steering wheel grip while helping reduce hand fatigue during long drives. The textured surface provides a secure hold in both hot and cold weather conditions, making driving more comfortable throughout the year. Beyond functionality, it adds a premium appearance that can refresh an aging interior instantly. Installation is designed to be straightforward, allowing most drivers to fit it within minutes. The durable construction resists wear and maintains its appearance over time. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply upgrading your vehicle's cabin, this steering wheel cover offers a practical blend of comfort and aesthetics. It's a small investment that can noticeably improve your everyday driving experience. Coverado Luxe Shield Seat Set. Protecting your vehicle's seats while enhancing interior style becomes easier with the Coverado Luxe Shield seat set. Designed with durability and comfort in mind, these seat covers help shield upholstery from spills, stains, scratches, and everyday wear. The premium materials provide a refined look that complements many vehicle interiors while maintaining breathability for added comfort. Installation is user-friendly, and the covers are designed to fit securely without interfering with normal seat functions. Families, pet owners, and daily commuters can benefit from the added protection these covers provide. Beyond preserving resale value, they offer a quick and affordable way to transform your cabin's appearance. Whether you're upgrading older seats or protecting new ones, this seat set delivers a balance of functionality, comfort, and visual appeal. Dry-View Memory Foam Wedge. Long drives can sometimes lead to discomfort, especially when seat positioning isn't ideal. The Dry-View Memory Foam Wedge is designed to improve seating posture and provide additional support during extended journeys. Made with high-density memory foam, it contours to your body while helping distribute weight more evenly. This can reduce pressure points and promote better sitting alignment behind the wheel. The ergonomic design raises seating position slightly, potentially improving visibility and driving comfort. A non-slip base helps keep the cushion securely in place throughout your trip. Suitable for commuters, rideshare drivers, and frequent travelers, this wedge can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort. It's a simple accessory that addresses one of the most common complaints among drivers without requiring expensive vehicle modifications. Clear Glide Windshield Clean Kit. Maintaining a clean windshield is essential for safe driving, and the Clear Glide Windshield Clean Kit makes the task much easier. This kit includes specialized cleaning tools designed to reach difficult corners and interior glass surfaces without leaving streaks behind. The ergonomic handle improves control, while reusable microfiber pads help remove dust, fingerprints, haze, and grime efficiently. A cleaner windshield improves visibility, particularly during sunrise, sunset, and nighttime driving conditions. The compact design allows easy storage in your glove compartment or trunk for quick access whenever needed. Regular use can enhance driving safety while keeping your vehicle looking its best. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or simply maintaining your daily driver, this cleaning kit offers a convenient solution for crystal clear visibility throughout the year. VEPA-GOO Nano Shield Tint Film. The VEPA-GOO Nano Shield Tint Film offers an effective way to improve comfort and privacy inside your vehicle. Designed to reduce glare and block a significant amount of sunlight, this tint film helps create a cooler cabin environment during hot weather. It can also help protect interior surfaces from fading due to prolonged UV exposure. The film enhances privacy without dramatically affecting visibility when installed correctly. Its durable construction is engineered to resist peeling and bubbling, helping maintain a clean appearance over time. Drivers who spend long hours on the road may appreciate the reduced eye strain and improved comfort. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle's appearance or seeking additional protection from the sun, this tint film provides practical benefits while giving your windows a sleek, modern look. Dash Vision Pro 4K Dual Cam. The Dash Vision Pro 4K Dual Cam delivers advanced recording capabilities for drivers seeking added security and peace of mind. Featuring front and rear cameras, it captures high-resolution footage from multiple angles to help document road events clearly. The 4K recording capability enhances detail, making license plates and surrounding conditions easier to identify. Wide-angle lenses expand coverage, while night vision technology improves performance in low-light environments. Loop recording ensures continuous operation by automatically overwriting older footage when storage becomes full. Many drivers appreciate having reliable video evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Easy installation and intuitive controls make setup straightforward. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on long-distance trips, this dual-camera system adds an extra layer of protection and confidence behind the wheel. SugarLink Ultra Mini CarPlay. This compact wireless adapter helps modernize your vehicle's infotainment experience by enabling wireless CarPlay functionality. Once connected, you can access navigation, music, messaging, and voice assistant features without plugging in your phone every time you enter the vehicle. The compact size keeps your dashboard area neat and uncluttered. Fast pairing and automatic reconnection make daily use convenient, while the stable connection helps maintain smooth performance throughout your drive. Drivers who frequently rely on smartphone integration will appreciate the added convenience. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar routes or managing playlists on the go, this adapter simplifies your experience and reduces cable clutter. It's a practical upgrade that enhances convenience and connectivity while maintaining the familiar functionality many drivers already enjoy. Rogue Shield UV Sunshade. The Rogue Shield UV Sunshade helps protect your vehicle's interior from intense sunlight and excessive heat. Designed to fit securely across the windshield, it blocks harmful UV rays while reducing cabin temperatures during parking. This can help preserve dashboard materials, upholstery, and electronics from long-term sun damage. The lightweight design allows quick installation and removal, making it convenient for daily use. Drivers often appreciate returning to a cooler vehicle after extended parking periods. In addition to comfort, reducing heat buildup can lessen the workload on your air conditioning system during startup. Whether you're parked at work, shopping, or traveling, this sunshade provides a simple yet effective way to improve interior protection and comfort throughout warmer seasons. Storm Shield Truck Cover. The Storm Shield Truck Cover is designed to protect your vehicle from harsh weather and environmental contaminants. Constructed from durable, weather-resistant materials, it helps guard against rain, snow, dust, bird droppings, tree sap, and harmful UV exposure. Elastic edges and secure fastening systems help maintain a snug fit during windy conditions. By providing an extra layer of defense, the cover can help preserve your vehicle's paint finish and overall appearance. Storage is easy thanks to its foldable design and included carrying bag. Whether your truck is parked outdoors daily or stored for extended periods, this cover offers valuable protection against the elements. It's a practical investment for owners looking to maintain their vehicle's condition and reduce long-term exterior wear. Zanch Cool Shield Sunshade. The Zanch Cool Shield Sunshade is another excellent option for drivers looking to minimize heat buildup inside their vehicles. Its reflective surface helps block sunlight effectively while reducing interior temperatures on hot days. Designed for quick deployment, the sunshade folds and unfolds easily, making daily use simple and convenient. By limiting sun exposure, it can help protect dashboards, steering wheels, seats, and electronic displays from fading and heat-related damage. Drivers often notice a more comfortable cabin environment after using a quality windshield shade consistently. Compact storage ensures it won't take up much space when not in use. Whether you're parked for a few hours or an entire day, this accessory provides an affordable solution for improved comfort and interior preservation.
Auto Gap Pocket Seat Organizer. The Auto Gap Pocket Seat Organizer is a clever solution for reducing clutter inside your vehicle. Designed to fit between seats and center consoles, it creates additional storage space for phones, wallets, keys, sunglasses, receipts, and other everyday essentials. By filling the gap where items often fall, it helps prevent distractions while driving and makes frequently used belongings easier to access. The durable construction blends well with many interior styles and maintains its shape over time. Installation requires no tools, allowing drivers to add organization within seconds. Whether you're commuting, traveling with family, or simply looking for a cleaner cabin environment, this organizer provides a practical way to maximize available space. It's a small accessory that can make a surprisingly big difference in everyday convenience. Ki-Style MagSafe Car Mount. The Ki-Style MagSafe Car Mount offers a secure and modern solution for mounting compatible smartphones. Utilizing magnetic attachment technology, it provides strong holding power while allowing quick one-handed placement and removal. Adjustable viewing angles make it easy to position your device for navigation, calls, or media control without obstructing your view of the road. Its compact design minimizes dashboard clutter and complements modern vehicle interiors. Installation is straightforward, and the mount remains stable even during rough driving conditions. Drivers who rely heavily on smartphone navigation will appreciate the convenience and accessibility this mount provides. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on longer journeys, this accessory keeps your device visible, secure, and within easy reach whenever needed.
Uhami ChillBox 19 QT Pro. The Uhami ChillBox 19 QT Pro brings portable refrigeration directly to your vehicle. Ideal for road trips, camping adventures, tailgating events, and extended travel, this electric cooler helps keep food and beverages chilled without relying on traditional ice. The spacious interior accommodates a variety of items while maintaining efficient cooling performance. Digital controls allow users to adjust temperatures easily, while the durable design is built to withstand travel demands. Many drivers appreciate the convenience of having cold drinks and fresh snacks readily available during long journeys. Its portable construction makes transportation simple when moving between vehicles and outdoor destinations. For travelers who value comfort and convenience, this cooler represents a practical upgrade that enhances the overall road trip experience. Blue Driver Pro OBD Scanner. The Blue Driver Pro OBD Scanner gives vehicle owners access to valuable diagnostic information without visiting a repair shop immediately. By connecting to your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, it can identify trouble codes and provide detailed insights through a companion mobile application. This information helps drivers understand potential issues before seeking repairs, potentially saving time and money. The wireless design eliminates cumbersome cables while making diagnostics accessible from your smartphone. Beyond reading codes, it can assist with monitoring vehicle health and tracking maintenance needs. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want greater confidence regarding your vehicle's condition,
This scanner offers a user-friendly way to access professional-level information. It's a smart tool for proactive vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting.
Superliner Model Y Shield. The Superliner Model Y Shield is designed to provide enhanced protection for cargo areas and interior surfaces. Built from durable materials, it helps guard against dirt, spills, scratches, and everyday wear that can occur during transportation of groceries, luggage, sports equipment, and other cargo. Precision design helps ensure a secure fit while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. Easy cleaning allows users to quickly remove debris and restore a tidy interior. Vehicle owners who prioritize preserving interior condition often appreciate the added protection these liners provide. Beyond functionality, the sleek design complements modern vehicle aesthetics. Whether you're transporting everyday items or preparing for longer adventures, this accessory helps maintain cleanliness and protect valuable interior surfaces. Monozell 2-in-1 Turbo Vacuum. The Monozell 2-in-1 Turbo Vacuum is a versatile cleaning gadget designed to keep your vehicle spotless. Combining powerful suction with portable convenience, it helps remove dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from seats, carpets, vents, and hard-to-reach areas. The compact design makes storage easy, while multiple attachments enhance cleaning flexibility. Some configurations also offer blower functionality, making it useful for clearing dust from tight spaces. Rechargeable operation adds portability and convenience for quick cleanups anywhere. Maintaining a clean interior not only improves appearance, but can also enhance overall driving comfort. Whether you're dealing with daily messes or preparing your vehicle for a special occasion, this vacuum provides an efficient and practical cleaning solution. Those were the 20 early Amazon Prime Day car gadget steals that can help improve comfort, organization, safety, and convenience every time you hit the road. If you found a favorite gadget on today's list, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're adding to your vehicle first. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Auto Gear Insider, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and deal roundups. Also, be sure to check the links in the description for pricing, availability, and more information. Thanks for watching.